Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I'm getting ready to install these termite stations, bait stations. So I'll explain what it is in another video, but I'm going to install these, and these are what the professionals use. So you need that the station. I'm using a trowel and a shovel. This shovel is for sprinklers. So I know there's termites down here because I put these little things down here that pop up. And I'm going to place this right there close by that thing that popped up. You can purchase an auger, which I did, and I realized I have this shovel. It's super easy. So the bait station is 7 inches, and you can dig the hole a little deeper than 7 inches. Check your area before you dig. I know there's nothing over here. There's no wires, no cables, no anything over here. So I'm just going to go in here, go down, and pull up a plug as if I'm going to place a sprinkler down there. That's all I'm going to do. And I'm going to dig out some of this dirt, which of course all of it won't fit. This needs to be flush with your ground so that the lawnmower does not tear the top of it off. This soil over here is super sandy, so it'll slip back in. And if you need to, just drop this in there. See, it's already deep enough. It's about, this is now level with the ground. You don't want it much deeper than that. I want to make sure it's not, I don't want it sitting on top of the ground, because they come through with the lawnmower and tear it up. And that's all you do, drop that in its place. You just want to make sure it's not going to get run over by the lawnmower. And now refill around the hole, shoveling that dirt back in just to make it steady. It's a nice little buffet for whatever wants to come and eat. That's it. It's just that simple. And if you know what to get, there's plenty of do-it-yourself pest control places that you can actually purchase these things. Here it is, see, level, slightly lower than the grass. That's all that's needed. That's it. Done. It has everything in there to attract and kill. So, thanks for joining me. Show a little channel love. Hit the like and the subscribe button.